It's back on a Monday, 5-day work week for people, 5-day school week. Like, I mean, how are we gonna make it through that?
I mean, I was trying to give you.
You're like, no,
that's the wrong.
Can't do
Nobody
that.
wants
It's gonna be like a real week.
It is. It is. And
boy.
to start it, actually, we'll kind of coast right in. So,
Okay.
no big
So at
weather
least we've got
problems
that.
to start, so that's nice.
There you go.
End of the week
dip
gets
a toe. Dip a toe.
Yeah. End of the week gets a little sketchier, so let's chat a little. Beginning with this, depressing graphic. If you're a big fan of snow and winter and cold and all of that, there's a lot of us out there, including myself. I like it. I don't like to see this. Barely any snow has fallen along the coastline. Portland just about 7 inches this season. Only about a foot for Bangor, close to the average snowfall pace in northern Maine. The problem has been in between storms, we've had these huge warm-ups, and keeping snow pack has been exceptionally challenging this season, as you know. There's a little snow in southeastern Mass and Rhode Island this morning that is going due east. So we'll miss out on those flakes. We stay pretty dry out there for the next few days. It's cold, though. We have teens across northern Maine from Bangor to Waterville at 16, 18 Greenville, also 16 in Millinocket. 8 is this cold spot in Calais, and then low to mid-20s southern areas from Augusta down to the coast. Portland, for instance, 25. Down in York County, we have 25 in Sanford this morning. So there's that low. Again, scooting to our south. Front comes through tonight with some snow showers for far northern Maine in the mountains. Elsewhere, not a flake, but we will get a reinforcing cold air mass to work in, so these next 3 days will be pretty chilly. We do have some thickening high clouds, so they're, I won't even say thin, they're just high clouds, way up there by where the planes fly, 30,000 feet or so. And they've got a thin appearance to them, but they'll keep the sun at bay for a little while this morning. Could have some great color in a few minutes as the sun comes up. And then those thin clouds drift east, and we'll end up with mostly sunny skies this afternoon. Overnight, getting some snow showers in the mountains and far north, a few bursts here and there, will result in some very minor accumulation. Looks like an inch or two for northern parts of Aroostook County and along the Canadian border. Perhaps some coatings for the western Maine mountains all the way to the central highlands and down to about Bangor. So as you get up tomorrow morning, you might have to brush the car off with another little thin coating of snow on there. High pressure working in for Tuesday and Wednesday. Cold air too. And it looks like we'll have some cold, enough of it around for the start of our next storm system, which will be working its way across the country and into the northeast. Thursday, a light wintry mix. Not going to stick around long. This has a very warm look to me and a rainy look to me. We'll transition over to rain. Friday looks very wet, and it continues into the start of Saturday. There is hope for winter lovers. Late over the weekend, we'll cool off dramatically Saturday night into Sunday morning, and there's a chance that we throw a little snow back into the picture here during that time frame too. A lot of puzzle pieces that kind of have to connect and come together perfectly, but if they do, we'll get several inches here over the weekend. We'll see. Small crafts are up. Seas 2 to 4, west winds 10 to 20 knots. Mix of sun and clouds today, mostly sunny tomorrow, partly sunny on Wednesday. The temperature trend will be on the decline. Mid to upper 30s today, mid 30s tomorrow, and then near 30 on Wednesday. Again, a light wintry mix on Thursday could give us a thin glaze, a few sleet pellets or snowflakes, probably some small snow accumulations in spots. And then it's getting warmer Friday into the mid 40s, so rain is likely. Over the weekend, there's that chance for snow Saturday night into Sunday morning as those temperatures crash again.
Come on, snow.
Come on.
Yeah,
We're
right?
rooting for you.
Yeah, good
We
stuff.
are rooting for you.
All right, before we let you go,